What's your favorite summer fruit? If it's watermelon, have you ever wondered why it is the ultimate summer sensation? This delicious red fruit offers a guilt-free, naturally sweet treat that keeps you refreshed under the sun. But did you know it's also packed with amazing health benefits? Here are 5 incredible reasons. The first health benefit may even surprise the fruit's superfans, which is that it reduces inflammation and oxidative stress. Inflammation is a key driver of many chronic diseases. Watermelon contains a combination of antioxidants, lycopene, and vitamin C that help in lowering inflammation and oxidative damage. Antioxidants play an important role in shielding your body from damage caused by harmful compounds called free radicals. If the levels of free radicals exceed the levels of antioxidants, it can lead to oxidative stress within your body. This stress has been associated with various chronic conditions like cancer, diabetes, heart disease, and Alzheimer's. Researchers conducted a study in which they fed rats watermelon powder to supplement an unhealthy diet, and they found that those rats developed less oxidative stress and lower levels of inflammatory marker reactive protein than those in the control group. Also, did you know the red color of watermelon is all thanks to lycopene? It is known for giving vibrant colors to fruits. Studies also show that lycopene also protects your body against damage caused by pesticides, herbicides, monosodium glutamate, MSG0, and certain types of fungi. Lycopene is generally considered safe, especially when it is obtained from fruits like watermelon. However, in rare cases, consuming extremely high amounts of lycopene-rich foods has been associated with a skin discoloration condition known as lycopenodermia. Another great health benefit is it's super hydrating. It's important to stay hydrated throughout the year, especially during the hot summer months when you tend to sweat more. Proper hydration is essential for various bodily functions, including regulating body temperature, supporting normal organ function, delivering nutrients to cells, and promoting alertness. While water is the obvious go-to for staying hydrated, it's not the only hydrating option out there. Watermelon is not just any food, it's actually made up of 92 water. Including it in your summer meals and snacks will significantly contribute to your hydration needs. Watermelon also has a low calorie density due to its high water content, meaning it provides very few calories relative to its total weight. Including foods with low calorie densities, like watermelon, in your diet can help with weight management by keeping you feeling full and satisfied for longer period. Health benefit number 3 is improving heart health. Heart disease is the primary cause of death worldwide. However, your lifestyle choices, including your diet, can play an important role in reducing the risk of heart attacks and strokes by managing blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Watermelon contains various plant compounds like lycopene, which support heart health. Research shows that lycopene can help in reducing cholesterol and blood pressure levels. It may also play a role in preventing oxidative damage caused by high cholesterol levels. Plus, watermelon contains citrulline, an amino acid that has the potential to increase nitric oxide levels in the body. Nitric oxide helps to expand blood vessels, leading to a decrease in blood pressure. Watermelon also has vitamins like magnesium, potassium, and vitamin A, B6, and C, which are good for heart health. The next health benefit is that it eases muscle soreness. Whether you're a gym rat or someone who loves weekend workouts, chances are you've experienced muscle soreness at some stage. Research suggests that a particular amino acid called L-citrulline might be beneficial in easing post-workout muscle soreness. This compound helps in expanding blood vessels so that your heart doesn't need to work as hard to pump blood through your body. Watermelon, especially the rind, is a fantastic natural source of L-citrulline. Although further research is required to confirm its effectiveness in fighting muscle soreness, replenishing your energy with a slice of watermelon can still be a refreshing and satisfying post-workout snack. The last health benefit on our list, aids skin health. Watermelon contains essential vitamins A and C, which play a significant role in maintaining skin health. Vitamin C, whether consumed through food or applied topically, supports the production of collagen, which is a vital protein that keeps your skin supple and your hair strong. Studies show that increasing your intake of vitamin C from either food sources or supplements can reduce the risk of developing wrinkles and dry skin. Vitamin A is equally important for promoting healthy skin because it helps in the creation and repair of skin cells. A review showed that animals suffering from vitamin A deficiency experienced slower wound healing compared to those who were fed a nutritionally complete diet. Bear in mind that further human studies on watermelon, specifically, are still needed. After eating the delicious part of a watermelon, you might think the rest is not edible and throw it away. But actually, you can eat both the watermelon seeds and rinds. The rind of a watermelon has lots of fiber, vitamin C, and zinc. You can also pickle that, add it to soups, stews, and stir-fries for more nutrition. Although you might keep watermelon seeds for spitting contests, they are actually edible and quite nutritious. The seeds are packed with phosphorus, potassium, protein, manganese, folate, healthy fats, iron, and zinc. You can easily add more fiber to your meals by including these seeds. Try them on salads, roast them for a quick snack, or sprinkle them on smoothies for a tasty boost. Keep in mind, consuming excessive amounts of watermelon may lead to unforeseen side effects. However, it's important to note that some of the side effects you may have heard about are entirely unfounded. Some unreliable sources suggest that overeating watermelon can cause heart problems and overhydration. However, neither claim is supported by scientific evidence and is unlikely to occur. Similarly, there have been claims about watermelon's potassium content leading to hyperkalemia, a condition characterized by specific symptoms. But you would have to consume an entire watermelon to exceed the recommended daily potassium intake. Also, research indicates that in people without kidney disease, the body effectively adapts and eliminates excess potassium through urine. Fortunately, watermelon is a safe and healthy fruit, and nutritionists have not defined it an unsafe limit for its intake. You may only want to moderate your intake if you need to keep your blood sugar levels low. To maintain a safe level of sugar intake, the U.S. Department of Agriculture, USDA, advises consuming approximately 2 cups of fruit daily for the people following a standard 2,000-calorie diet. In the case of watermelon, this translates to roughly 300 grams per day. As with anything else in nutrition, moderation is key. Try to limit your watermelon intake to 2 cups or 300 grams per day if that's the only fruit you'll be having. Nevertheless, these health benefits make this yummy fruit an all-around superstar. So, this summer, make sure to stock up on watermelons and enjoy the goodness inside. What's your favorite way to enjoy watermelon? Share your creative recipes in the comments down below. Thank you for watching. See you all in the next video.